Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Spotify on different devices at the same time. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open Spotify, and here we need to choose the music we want to play on different devices on the same time. So for example, it would be this music, and here if I open that music, I can scroll down and find in the middle of the screen a monitor icon in the left side of the screen, and basically click on it. Here I will have this interface, and it basically says to us play on your devices, and it says make sure it is turned on and you are on the same Wi-Fi network. So basically it means that we need to connect all the devices that we want to play at the same time this music to the same Wi-Fi network. So ask your friends to connect to the same Wi-Fi network, and all their devices will appear here, and you will need to simply click on them, and the music will start to play. Moreover, you will have an ability to AirPlay or Bluetooth, so if you click on it, you can also choose the devices from this list to play the music on them. And basically that is it. That is how we can play Spotify on different devices at the same time. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.